Standing together. Mastering the idiom. United we stand, divided we fall. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we are going to decode and delve into an immensely powerful and commonly used idiom in the professional world. United we stand, divided we fall. You will not only learn its meaning and context but also how you can use it to inspire leadership and teamwork. United we stand, divided we fall, is an idiomatic expression that signifies the power of unity and collaboration. This phrase, often used in a team or leadership context, illustrates the strength in sticking together and the potential weakness when divided. Remember, the key essence of this idiom is teamwork and unity. This phrase isn't just a figure of speech. It carries a historical weight. It was originally used in the context of military warfare, where unity among soldiers could mean the difference between life and death, victory or defeat. Today, it finds relevance in academic and professional contexts, symbolizing the importance of collaborative efforts. In professional settings, united we stand, divided we fall, can be employed to motivate team members to work together towards a common goal. If you're a leader, you might use this phrase during team meetings to remind everyone of the collective objective and the importance of their contributions. Here is an example of how you can use it. Team, as we approach this challenging project, let's remember that, united we stand, divided we fall. We need to collaborate effectively to reach our goal. Practicing the usage of idioms will help in fully mastering them. Try creating your own sentences using united we stand, divided we fall. You can use it to underline the importance of teamwork, to inspire others during a challenging project, or simply to share your belief in the power of unity. Thank you for joining us today in exploring this profound idiom. We hope this helps you better understand its usage and application in the professional world. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, a testament to the immense strength that lies in unity. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!